Yoo-hoo!
We believe really intensely that kids needed to be makers instead of just consumers, because as a community college teacher, guess what students I get in my computer 101 class? I get all the ones that come out of K-12, and they think that they are computer literate because they can Facebook and chat and send an email. And so I have them do robotics, and we program with Alex, and we do all kinds of things. So that's kind of my take on here. Is I want to get a little bit of background on where you're at with this subject, with 3D printing. There actually is some solid pedagogy behind this whole idea of maker education. Going back to the olden days, anybody familiar with Seymour Papert? Or anybody familiar with Lego Mindstorms? Lego Robotics? You heard of that? Okay, well, he's the guy that sort of invented that. But even way back then, he had this idea that kids should use computers to construct knowledge. They should make things with computers, not just word processing, not just mundane things. So are we trying to turn every kid that comes through school into an engineer? We don't need every kid to be an engineer. But for the kids who are of that mindset, that are the creators, that are the makers, robotics technology, 3D printing technology, there's several different technologies that if we expose them to that, they will just take it and run. You won't be able to hold them back.
And it isn't just engineers, it's artists, 3D printing is going to be in other places, industrial design.
What we're going to try to do is help you guys figure out what to do with it and get ideas from you about what you would do with it.
I'd like my students to design, they don't, as students you don't get to see anything to build, as a design student.
Selling chocolate or coffee or something.
Oh, I'm excited and I want to say thank you. I'm glad I got to make it up here.
I am glad too.
Yeah, it was very insightful. I see it now. So I see the potential versus just reading about it or just getting excited about it. It was really good to experience it.
Yeah, we've noticed it makes a difference when people actually see the printers and play with the printers. That makes a difference.
Yoo-hoo!